Hi, this is Ryan Higgins from AffiliateToolsForYou.com, and I'm here today to talk about the butterfly effect in affiliate marketing. Now, the butterfly effect, more or less, is the idea that the universe as a whole has so many variables and so many changes that you can't accurately predict anything. What you can do is basically make a really good educated guess, which is basically using statistics to predict a probable outcome for things. And in the butterfly effect, the classical saying or analogy is that when a butterfly flaps its wings, it can cause a hurricane or a typhoon somewhere across the world. Now that's probably impossible, but the main thing is that things are constantly changing and we cannot predict the exact outcome of things. So what does that mean for us as affiliate marketers? Well, it means that most of the courses that you buy that are going to teach you how to get lots of sales and lots of traffic and things like that, they're almost always going to miss something because chaos theory and the butterfly effect is especially true on the internet. If you haven't noticed already, things are always changing and updating. The most obvious that gurus like to mention now is that back in the late 90s and 2000s, the big thing to do was to make a niche website and to basically spam your links everywhere and get your site ranked on Google. And people were making a lot of money by promoting different affiliate products on their niche websites. And then Google changed and it made several updates, Panda updates, Hummingbird updates, etc., which caused a lot of these websites to then be slapped to the bottom of the Google search rankings and for these people to lose lots of money. Other things would involve, let's say, Facebook. About 5 or 6 years ago, people could post links more easily on Facebook without getting banned and things like that. Now on Facebook, it's a bit more difficult. And a more recent one is with email marketing. A lot of people will tell you, well, email marketing is where it's at because you get to keep your leads, you can control your traffic source. And this is all true, and I actually stand by this in my own courses that I teach. I do emphasize email marketing, but even this is becoming problematic. Open rates and click rates have declined, and they seem to be continuing to decline, mainly because people's inboxes are overflowing with spam and promotional emails, and Gmail and other email service providers are coming up with different solutions. Either they're just throwing your emails directly into the spam folder, or if it's Gmail, they have what's called a promotions tab. So things are always changing around us. So whenever you take a course or you learn a new method, there's a good chance that part of it will become obsolete within the next few months to a year. So we have to always be paying attention and updating ourselves. So if we're going to talk about collecting leads and email marketing, then you still want to be collecting email leads, but you do need to find other ways to get around the problems with getting your messages to inbox or getting people to open your emails. For instance, I've started using Facebook chatbots. So whenever somebody buys a product through my link, they can get bonuses by signing up to my Facebook chatbot account. And they're going to be put into my autoresponder on Facebook and get messages. There's a much higher open rate and engagement rate with Facebook messages. And these are all automated just like an email autoresponder. But I don't just rely on the Facebook chatbot because it is Facebook and they could just take it away from us at any time. So what I do is I use my Facebook chatbot to let people know that I have sent them email messages. And in my email messages, I will send them bonuses and free courses, quality free courses, not just some PLR course. And in my Facebook message, I will tell them, listen, if you want to get X and Y extra bonus free course, just whitelist my email, open it, send me a message back. And this will improve my my email sending score. It will improve my reputation as an email sender, things like that. So you can always be updating yourself, but you should never give up on email marketing. I still think email marketing is a good core that you should have at the center of your business, because even though it's getting harder to get open rates and click rates, you can use other things around that to improve that. But you don't want to base your business around Facebook chatbots, for instance, or around, I forget what you call it, push notifications. You don't want to base it around anything that an outside source can control and take away from you, right? Because that's the big mistake people made by relying on Google with their ranking algorithms. And this is a mistake people are making now by relying too much on Facebook. You should rely on email, but on the other hand, you need to constantly be updating and be creative with other strategies to get around problems that are cropping up with email. But you should still keep email as your main base. So yeah, this is basically just a rant that, no matter how good a course sounds that you're going to buy, you need to always be expecting the unexpected. Even if it's a very good course that's put together by someone who knows what they're doing, the conditions are always changing. So those are my thoughts on the butterfly effect in affiliate marketing. I hope you found them interesting, maybe a bit amusing. And if you find value in these videos, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you would like to, get regular updates from me with internet marketing training, you could always click that link below on the top, and you could subscribe to my email list. You can also access my blog in the link below. I give a whole ton of free training and advice in my blog on how to get free traffic, how to promote offers, how to build sales pages, how to do SEO, all of that good stuff. So that's it for now, guys. Take care and have a good day.